Hello again, welcome back to Grace Signature. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video I'll be sharing with you my oven fried CHOFI or turkey-tail recipe. So the fried turkey-tail is commonly known in Ghana as CHOFI, and thus is a street food. It is a roadside food. You'll find those at every corner, okay, and thus is quite enjoyed in the afternoons and in the evening. I remember when I was in Ghana, I would walk all the way from La Police Station to La Miami or La Town Center to go and get myself some fried yam with fried CHOFI, and thus it's really nice. All right, guys, that is the fried version. But today I'll be sharing with you the oven fried version, which is quite healthier than the normal way of frying it in the oil. Turkey-tail or CHOFI is very fatty. It is high in fat, okay? So if you grill it in the oven, that means you are burning part of the fat, or if you do that in your air fryer, it's quite healthier. But look at something that is fatty, has a lot of fat, and you frying it in oil again. It tastes really nice anyway, but then the fat, the oil is just too much. All right, guys, so come with me to my creative kitchen and let's start cooking. Right, so I'll begin by trimming most of the fat of those. Okay, I will trim as much as I can of those, and then we'll talk through the ingredients. All right, yes, so I've nicely trimmed my turkey tail. I've get rid of most of the fat. All right, so there I have a teaspoon of shrimp powder, a pinch of salt, my turkey tail there. Look at that. Look at that. I've taken my time to trim most of the fat out from that. Okay, and I'll be seasoning it with my mini sweet pepper sauce. Okay, so now I've sprinkled the salt and the shrimp seasoning on it. I'll massage it with my clean hands, and then next scoop in some of my mini sweet pepper sauce. So I have a video on this, okay, so go and check it out. I've added 2 teaspoons of that. All right, so at this point I'll marinate this for an hour and it will be ready to go in the oven. So in goes the oven. So I'll grill this at 120 degrees for 1 hour, okay, for an hour, but then I'll check on it every 30 minutes, okay? So the first 30 minutes it's due. This is how it looks like. I will turn my turkey tail or CHOFI upside down, making sure that the other side also gets some of the heat. Okay, so look at that. The top bit is cooked nicely, but then the down or the bottom bit is not. This is the reason why you have to check on it, flip it or turn it upside down, making sure that both parts get the heat. All right, so I'll pop this back into my oven and grill for another 30 minutes. And in an hour of grilling, this is how my turkey tail looks like. Look at how beautiful this looks like. So look right in the bowl and look at how much fat I have in there. All right, so yes, our turkey tail is done. It's ready to be served. Here you are. I'm garnishing this with some bell peppers, the red, the orange, and the green bell peppers with a touch of red onions. Look at how beautiful and colorful this is. And this is not just beautiful, it tastes great. It tastes amazing. Make this for your visitors and they will love it. So I enjoy the turkey tail with some fried yam or with bangkun. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. It's as easy and simple as that. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to Grace Signature. And to my subscribers, thank you for your support to this channel. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos with your family and friends. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye bye.